Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some price plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button presets. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only.